Hi there, thank you for clicking my YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a discussion about how to convert units of measure from smaller to larger ones, or vice versa. And for this video, we are going to use the easiest way. It is the use of a metric converter. And to use this metric converter, we don't need to solve and compute the problem. We will just use the metric converter to convert our desired units. Okay? But before that, since this is my first video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Now, this is an example of a metric converter for length. We have kilometer, okay, M for kilometer, it's M for hectometer, dam for decameter, M for meter, dm for decimeter, cm for centimeter, and mm for millimeter. Now, how are we going to use this metric converter? As I said, that this is the easiest way of converting a unit. And for us to do that, let us use these steps. Number one, let us identify the unit that we want to start with. Number two, let us identify the unit that we want to end with. Number three, let us count the distance from the starting unit to the ending unit. And number four, let us move the decimal point of the given measurement corresponding to the direction and the distance between the starting unit and the ending unit. Number 5, let us finalize our answer. Now we are going to apply the steps that we have learned in using the metric converter. Suppose we want to know the distance from meter to millimeter. Meter is the unit that we want to start with, and millimeter is the uh, unit that we want to end with. So the distance from meter to millimeter is 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 spaces going to the right. So it is also very important to determine the direction of the unit or the starting unit to the ending unit. So another example for that. Alright, how about if you want to convert a meter to kilometer? Okay, first we need to identify the unit that we want to start with, and that is meter, and the unit that we want to end with, which is the kilometer. So the distance from meter to kilometer is, we have 1, 2, 3. So meaning there are 3 spaces going to the left. So, and now let us have another example. We need to see the distance of hectometer to centimeter. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So meaning the distance of hectometer to centimeter is 4 spaces going to the right. Now let us try to use that in solving our problem. Number 1. Okay, a human red blood cell measures about 6 microns or 6 millionths meter. How long is this in millimeter? Okay, so meaning for this problem, we are asked to convert meter into millimeter. So using our metric converter, first let us identify the unit that we want to start with, and that is meter, and the unit that we want to end with, which is millimeter. So the distance from meter to millimeter is, we have 1, 2, and 3. So meaning there are 3 spaces going to the right. So using that to our given measurement, which is 6 million meter. So again, there are 3 spaces going to the right. We need to move our decimal point also by 3 places going to the right. And to do that, we have 1, 2, and 3. So our answer would become 0.006 millimeter. See? It is so easy using the metric converter, right? Now let us have another example. Problem number 2. A boy has a piece of wood with a size of 9.5 centimeter to be used for his project. How long is this in hectometer? Okay, for this problem, we are asked to convert 9.5 centimeter into hectometer. So in using our metric converter, let us first identify the distance from centimeter going to hectometer. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 spaces going to the left. So we're going to use that for our given measurement, which is 9.5 centimeter. So we need to move also our decimal point going to the left side by 4 places. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our answer would become 0.00095 hectometer. Now let us have this last problem. An Olympic athlete runs a distance of 25,000 meters. How far did he run in kilometers? Okay, for this problem, we are asked to convert 25,000 meters into kilometers. So, to use our metric converter, let us first identify the distance from meter to kilometer. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, there are 3 spaces going to the left. So, by using that for our given measurement, which is 25,000 meters, we need to move also our decimal point by 3 places going to the left. So to do that, we have 1, 2, and 3. So our answer would become 25 kilometers. See? As I said a while ago that using a metric converter is the easiest way of converting a unit from smaller to larger one or vice versa. Hope that you will familiarize the positions of the unit on the metric converter. Okay, thank you guys. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.